Welcome to Jank Tank. I'm Yash Raja, and my partners are Ari Wash, Lincoln Donnie, and Ranveer Singh. During high school, all of us were part of a robotics team, and we really enjoyed it there. And it became one of our top passions to this day.
The Jank Tank is a program that runs on a Raspberry Pi that the user, typically a kid who's learning how to program, can access through any web browser or a computer on the same Wi-Fi connection as the Raspberry Pi. The intention of this project is to teach kids how to program with a hands-on experience. They can have a physical robot in front of them that whenever they type in forward, it moves forward. Teaches them how to write autonomous programs with a robot.
Okay, let's make it move forward for 5 seconds. Okay, execute. Oh, it moved. There we go. Oh, whoa, there we go. Oh.
I'm gonna watch this die.
Okay, go. Oh.
Yeah.
And it's moving.
The library that we use to run our block engine is something called Google Blockly. This is where we reference it in our code. We also use this bit of code, which is a jQuery AJAX function, to send the actual data to the Pi. This is the Flask server, saved as app.py. These are all of the Python functions that we use to control the robot. These are the formal definitions of them.
To enable the motors, the Raspberry Pi sent a digital message to an Arduino which enabled the MOSFET. When enabled, the MOSFETs provided 12 volts to the motors. Because of a lack of resources and time, the tank was assembled mostly with duct tape and hot glue. Therefore, it became the Jank Tank and kept falling apart.